How to check in with Air China. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check in online with Air China using the web version or even from the application. It's totally the same. So of course, the first thing that you want to have to do is to visit their official website, which is going to be airchina.com, which is going to be here. So the default website is actually set in Chinese language. For you to be able to change it into the language you prefer, is to simply clicking on the flag, and then at the right side is simply choose on English. Once you select English, it will automatically be retranslated for you. Online check-in is very easy. Just simply scroll down, and then as you can see there have online check-in. You just want to go ahead and check in. So to doing a check-in online, there's actually a lot of things that you need to look for. You need the reference number and as well as the ID number of your passport, your reference number of your booking, and actually the flight number. But basically, you just need to fill this out right here, and then you need to retrieve your itinerary before checking in first. And that's it. That's very simple. That's how you check in with Air China.